Alright guys, welcome to day 45 on the path to $30,000 a month. I seriously cannot believe it's been 45 days and we are just running this thing, and I'm getting so much support and love right now. So thank you so much. And for the YouTube algorithm, please give this a thumbs up if you enjoy it, because my algorithm has just been up and down, and I can tell that some days, even some weeks, I'll have like really hot, like big highs, and then like super low lows, like a couple views a day to then 1,000 a day. So I think either liking the video or subscribing, I'm not really sure, commenting, I don't know, but I'm sure the liking would help. So if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, that's out of the way. Thank you in advance. So if you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I have over three businesses, and I've been running them for over like 3.5 years. Or 3.5 years, I don't know, it's been a long time, and I am now ready to show everyone the ups and downs of business and also getting to $30,000 a month. So I make a video every single day. It's a little vlog. They'll document my day-to-day until I hit 30,000. Do I know what I'm gonna do after? Maybe, but we'll get to that later. All right, so today we are going to be doing a lot of Mugboat orders. And so here's what I thought of. I think I'm doing it backwards, okay? I think I'm doing work backwards. I think the problem is I am doing customer orders first. Even though that is important, I will get that done no matter what every single day. But what's most important is getting these Mugboats out into the Amazon warehouse, because that is where I'm making the most money. And so as I'm trying to hit 30K, there are different business structures that you have to change so you can hit those numbers. And so if I want to hit from $30,000 to $60,000 a month, I'm gonna have to do something completely different. And this is where I was unaware for a long time. And I was kind of going over it in my head last night. I'm like, that would be so much more efficient, because priorities need to be done first. You're gonna get those custom orders done regardless. It's fine, you're gonna get them done. But you need to get those Mugboats out. Those are our priority. So today we're gonna start off getting I'm gonna do over 100 Mugboat orders shipped out to the Amazon warehouse today. I do have a couple other personal things I gotta get done, and then I will get the customer orders out. So you'll kind of see, I'll get them all done. So it's gonna be a long video, I think. So I hope you enjoy. Sorry for this long intro. I just wanted to explain my day and then who I am and all that good stuff and the YouTube algorithm stuff, because it really has been helping. You guys have actually been killing it. We're almost at 1,400 subscribers. We were just at 1,300 subscribers like a couple of days ago. I'm losing. I don't know how you guys watch this. I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to do this every day. I literally, my brain is like gonna explode, but we're doing it, baby. We're doing it. So, all right, let's get to work. All right, so if you don't know, when I do these commentaries, because I can't do them during the video, they are later at night. So it's 8:47. I just wanted to just let you all know again, like how thankful I am for you guys. I mean, you are what keep me going every single day doing this and trying to hit $30,000. So you are all a part of this journey with me. I promise you that. So in saying that, let me tell you what's going on here. If you do not know what I'm doing here, I'm packaging up Mugboats. Mugboats are my best-selling product on Amazon. They've hit #1 twice now on 2 different SKUs. So this is the OG version, my original, and then I have a vintage style version, which actually used to come out in the 80s. There was an original version. So I'm packaging these all up, and we can talk about this later, but we're talking about what Mugboats actually are. But so I'm packaging all up and then shipping out to Amazon. All right, so we have, I don't know, how many do we have of these? We have, so I said I want to put out over 100, but we got to 152, so not bad. 152 Mugboats about to get shipped out. I also don't want to overdo it, because sometimes Amazon loses your stuff. So 152, it's a good bet to take. We got a whole bunch of these in here, so yeah. All right, so I gotta go drop these off. I gotta go do a couple personal things, and then I will come back and do customer orders, finish up the video, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue. All right, so since I got that shipment out, now I got to get started on customer orders and getting those out. Like I said, priority are those Mugboats. We need to hit 30K this month. We got to do it. We got to do it. So we are working on customer orders. There weren't much, so it was perfect timing just to get these out. As you can see, I'm over here labeling these packages. Still takes forever. I'm laminating here. This is 3 times speed, guys. So this looks super fast, but it's not. It takes a long time. laminating these. I really need to get new boxes. I'm almost out of boxes right now, so I'm kind of tripping out. I have like orders to get out tomorrow. You'll see tomorrow if you subscribe that I will probably be out of boxes by tomorrow. So if you want to see me struggle, subscribe. Some package up these. This always takes a while. And I always miss some stuff. If you see me writing something, that means I have to do that for tomorrow. So just so you know, just if you've seen that. So here am I cutting up the last box that I have, finishing up some labeling, and yeah, this is already 8 o'clock at this point, so I'm almost done right here. This is the end of the video. It is, what is it? It's 8:34, and I already shipped out a whole bunch of packages today, and I got more here, and then I got 152 mug boats out, or something like that. So I'm super exhausted. I just finished up some of these little graphic decals for the mug boats as well. Thank you. I have a few more for tomorrow. So that is the end of the video. So tomorrow is going to be also a busy day as well. Of course, it's never slow. Now that that's the end of the video, let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made yesterday. All right, so yesterday on eBay, we made $48.93. So not a bad day. And we did $725.97, so a little bit better than the couple days before. So our total is $775 yesterday. So not bad at all. So our total this month, we're at $10,065. We need to be at $15,000 to hit $30,000 a month this month if we were looking at it like that. But I think we could hit $30,000. I don't know. I just have this feeling that we can do it. So I hope you guys are praying with me on this. We could hit 30K. But we had a good day, and I can see it scrolling back up. We just got to keep bringing in more mug boats. That's it. That is the goal. If we bring in more mug boats, I think we can hit 30K if they come in on time this month. So if you enjoyed this video, everybody, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. I make a video every single day. Tomorrow will be day 46. I would love to see you all there. And just in general, if you got to the end of the video, just thank you so much. And if you truly enjoyed, just give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the video. I'm trying to make them better every single day. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of your night. And I will see you all tomorrow, Thursday, for day 46. See you guys then.